Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I have to disappoint you a little because I was working on this one thing, right, okay, which is going to be the observation Haki's final form. So there is nothing such as a final form, it is just my own creation, okay? And the idea was that your soul just comes out of your body and then you're just able to observe what is around you, okay? So that was the plan. And in the tutorial video, I have tried to recreate this idea, but I have encountered an error, and the error, well, I wasn't able to solve it till now, and the video you'll now see, this first giveaway video, and the tutorial video tomorrow, they only show you the model with its error, okay? But I'm gonna be uploading a second part on this in the following days, which will reveal the full model and also with some cool visualizations, so with some cool color filters, so all of the cool stuff. The problem was just that there was this one error which I wasn't able to handle till now, but I hope that you guys can forgive me and that you will patiently wait for the next video, so for the second part, which is going to come in the following days, guys. With that being said, enjoy.